Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have Wizards Pack. This DLC contains 16 character arts, 16 enemy battlers, 16 sprites, and 60 effects animations by Wipeout and Gotcha Games. A pack of pixel horror fonts by Druid. A pack of dungeon backgrounds by Cool Plant and Gotcha Games. A tileset of a pixel hospital and another of a pixel factory by Kotoyama. And lastly, a 16-hour-long video course for RPG Maker MZ on Udemy, made by Andres Kavelin, the developer of Great Utopia on Steam. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.